Hi everyone, today I want to show you a mesh fabric that can be used in your quiet books to make a maze page, for example. Here I have two types of it. I bought those two in hardware stores maybe 2 months ago, and this one I purchased on AliExpress, and actually they are different, but still they are suitable for making quiet books. I will start from those two. In hardware store they sell the mesh fabric by yard, and they have actually soft one and hard one, and white and black. It is for the this window frame, so they put the net to protect your house from mosquitoes. So this is net. Actually this is very soft. See, I bought black one and it's not pure white. See, what's actually good about this mesh fabric, that it's very strong. You cannot rip it how hard you try, you cannot rip it. Of course I washed it. So this is the white one. It doesn't stretch, only on diagonal, see, like fabric on bias. And this is the black one. This one I purchased on AliExpress. I will give you the link below this video. They have white, black and gray colors, and it came with the hook tape. The loop part is non-adhesive and the hook tape is the adhesive one. The mesh fabric and the hook and loop tape. So this one is pure white. For example, I will show you. See, I bought this one here in our hardware store, and this one from AliExpress. It's a little bit harder than this one, but still it's not possible to rip it because it's very, I don't know what to do, but it doesn't rip. And of course for the quiet books the most important is that the mesh fabric cannot be damaged by hook tape. Of course in your quiet book you will have detachable details backed with the hook tape. So even though this single detachable detail will be on this page, so it will not be damaged by the hook tape. I will show you. So here I have hook tape. See, nothing. The mesh is 100% polyester, and same here. Nothing. And for example, this is the page. So I put the page. Here I have a mesh fabric. Under the mesh fabric I will put some beads. These are flat back beads. They are suitable for the maze page because one side of the bead is flat. It's very easy to move them under the net. So for example, this is the maze page. See? And this is example of the page where I used the mesh fabric. This is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.